Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you like the content of the channel, please subscribe, it's free. Hit the like button, share. Also, you can enjoy the rest of the videos of the channel. We have almost 300 videos that you can enjoy. So, let's go to the unboxing. Well, we have the package from the vendor. Well, there is no surprise. This is the iPhone. As simple as that. iPhone 16 Pro Max. But before, we need to run a security check, of course. Remember, this is a security measure that was applied starting with the iPhone 15 with the UV lights. It's pretty easy to verify the authenticity of the iPhone, and also with the QR code you can verify if the box is original. All right, talking about security.
Surfshark VPN encrypt your internet activity, block ads and prevent malware to secure your internet connection. With advanced and safety feature such as Double VPN, offuscate server, split tunneling, kill switch and more, you can rest assured that your browsing is secure. Plus, Surfshark boosts your online security and privacy, keeping your browsing data hidden on public Wi-Fi networks and blocking malware from your computer. This feature plus many more work together to secure your online presence. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description below. Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back warranty, so you can make sure you are satisfied with the service. In addition, Surfshark offers an antivirus solution to be fully protected against malicious threats. So, check out the links in the description below. And many thanks to Surfshark for trusting this channel. Time to videos your channel, so let's get back to the video.
Alright, as usual, we need to remove this thing that is pretty easy. That's it. Let's remove. Next one. Come on. Perfect. Now let's open. As simple as that. Wow. Oh yes. Look at that. The iPhone 16 Pro Max in black color. So this is the only thing that we have in the box. Charging cable and what else? Some paper with instruction. Well, no more stickers. So, well, very bad, but it's okay. Look at the cable. That's nice. Oh, this is different from the previous version. This is better. Cool. Yes. Well, a stronger cable. More flexible. Well, good for Apple. And that's it. Let me remove this. We have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but let me compare the size with the 15 Pro Max. Well, yes, there is a difference. Not too much, but yes. Let me do something. Let's change over here. Let's put this away. Better. Now, well, yes, it's a small difference, but yep. Oh, this is a big difference here. Cool. And the cameras. Well, the very important thing, there is a protector for the camera. So I think that the size is the same, but this 15 Pro Max looks bigger because I put a protector, just in case. You never know. But yes, like this. I think that difficult to see, but maybe are the same. I don't know. We need to check the specification, but well, actually, this is bigger than this, of course. All right, cool. So the new button, camera button, power button, action button, volume, and the thinker. Wow, look at that. The fingerprints. Oof, a lot fingerprint. So to run, and yes, have battery. All right, hello. But it's difficult to see it right now because I need to configure the mobile phone first. After the configuration, we will continue. And now we have here the size comparison. iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone XR, iPhone 7, iPhone 5, and iPhone 2G. Look at that. What amazing evolution among all the iPhone's models. Look at that. Incredible. And of course, look at the size. Yes, it's just a little bit bigger. The iPhone 16 Pro Max. This one was the bigger iPhone screen when he reached the market the first time. Look at that. Incredible. Then we have the iPhone 5S. Wow. The size, the shape, amazing. The material, incredible. Then iPhone 7. Do you remember this color? The black color, incredible. And look at this marble iPhone XR with this incredible coral color. And of course, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the king of the hill, just few weeks ago with this incredible blue color. And now the new king of the hill, iPhone 16 Pro Max, incredible black color and with this incredible size. Let's run Geekbench on the 16 Pro Max and the 15 Pro Max, and let's wait for the result. And now the results. Of course, the 16 Pro Max is faster than the 15 Pro Max. Let's check out something. Single core. Alright, as you can see, the comparison between the 16 Pro Max against 15 Pro Max in this graphic, but in the real world, this is the difference. And of course, if we do the same with the other models on multi-core test, wow, yes, as you can see, is of course better, is the thing that everybody expects, but those are synthetic tests. All right, of course, on the synthetic test, maybe all the new models of everything, mobile phone, computers, camera, whatever, are going to be faster. Is, as I said before, is what the people expect, is what us as a customer expect. But what happened on the real life situation? Is this iPhone better than the previous one? And the answer is yes, absolutely better. Using this phone, taking a lot of photos, I found out that is faster than this one. The camera is not the same, all right? It's not the same. Others, people, YouTubers and whatever says that the camera is the same, but it's not. This camera is better, around, I don't know, 8% better. So the question is, what happens if I already own an iPhone 15 Pro Max? it is worth changing it? That is the big question. Well, for bigger size, not too much, but yes, it's bigger, better battery capacity, better camera, well, okay, 8%, but it's better. So faster CPU, of course. The decision is up to you. New test, GPU, of course, it's better, it's faster, it's a new processor, new phone, new everything. Next year, we are going to be here saying the same with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But, you know, that is the technology. Every time, better and better and better. Well, in this case, it's better, yes, not too much, but it's yes. So, as I said before, it's up to you if you want to change your iPhone 15 Pro Max to the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Well, that's it, guys. The amazing iPhone 16 Pro Max. Remember, check out more videos on the channel. We are releasing more videos almost every week, so take a look of the new content of the channel, and of course are free. Remember, subscribe, hit the like button and share, and see you on the next video.
Oh boy, you ain't done with this one.